welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, and if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this channel. Well, today we have just a quick unboxing. Some is for my channel, and the other one is not. It's more about hair care for me. It's like a subscription box. I got from Curlbox, and it's not, I only try to do it like maybe 4 months, so I have my hair products, and then I probably in my subscriptions because it's really good time to, you know, stock up on my hair care, because I know in the next coming months that I will be doing whole no spend months. So this came, I'm so excited. This is just the hair care. I haven't opened it yet. I just opened the top, and we're gonna see what we got. Okay, so it's a wide flow through detangler. Detangler. I don't know why I said it's a word. Okay, so I've been looking at these. Oh dang! I really just tore this open. But I have been looking at these. Okay, so this is, you detangle your hair. Hopefully this will work. I think this will work for me. So let's go through the Curlbox. If I can grab the box. Oh, hold on. Okay, so turn it around. And we'll just see what we got inside. I have it wrapped pretty nicely. Okay. Put this box over here. So this is the card. It's saying like, this month we're drafting a love letter to your hair with the help of My Black is Beautiful. The vitamin rich blue ginger collection is the dream team for your hair needs to remove impurities from your scalp and restore moisture in your hair. So that is this week's Curlbox. So you have a blue ginger scalp scrub, blue ginger clarifying scalp shampoo, blue ginger intense restorative mask, and enjoy your mystery product. I think this was the mystery product. Was it a detangler? And My Black is Beautiful Tangle Slayer. So it looks really nice. Okay, so this is the scalp scrub, restorative mask, intensive restorative mask. Comment down below if you have tried these. Intense recovery treatment, golden milk with honey and coconut oil. Yeah, comment down below. I think it smells pretty nice. If you tried this, is this a? And comment down below if you know if this is like a Black-owned business. Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. This is for type 4 coily hair. And this is the clarifying shampoo. I really do like the packaging. Yep. Okay. Smells really nice. Blue ginger with tea tree oil. This one has golden milk with honey and coconut oil. I think they're all different, aren't they? Yeah, golden milk with coconut oil. So this is really nice. I can't wait to try it on my hair. Comment down below if you've ever tried this. And I do like the blue green. Is it? Okay, so that's the Curlbox. It's probably gonna be like a really short video because I know I have a lot to do today. I have to get an order out. It's a really big order, so I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'll be recording that also. So I got that for my Curlbox, and this I got from LuxeDesign. Let's unwrapping it. So I just got a watermark. It's like an acrylic. I just got one acrylic on there so I could just put it in my videos. So anytime you see it, it'll be right there. I'll probably put it on the side like that. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty. Like, she always does really good work. But alrighty. See, it go right here. You can't really see my name, but I'm gonna try to make it work. It just says Pink-UniBudgetz. But alright. So that's all we got today. Very quick 6-7 minute video. So I can go ahead, put this up. And I gotta do my longer videos. I gotta do my debt confession. I gotta do my business income stuffing, which is gonna be used with prop money to try to, you know, help other people who have businesses to where they can allocate their money to. And probably do a cash stuffing for tomorrow. So I'm waiting on something else to drop, and I'm gonna record me doing my 100 envelope, well, my version of the 100 envelopes, and me doing an order. And so you can make your own envelopes if you like, or if you want me to create them for you, I can also do that too, because all my budget binders, they do come fully customizable. You just got, you know, let me know what you want on there, and if I could create it with my Cricut. So, all right, there you go. I hope you have a great day. I'm gonna start putting my little, so cute. I'm sorry, I have my little thing right here. But alrighty, so that's all I got for you today. I'll see y'all in the next video. So, alrighty, bye.
New worlds, whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl.